Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. This is part 2 of the U-Substitution series. I'm going to do a level 2 substitution for you in this particular problem. So here we go. I have the integral of x cubed times the square root of x squared plus 7. So in the last video, I said anytime I say the word of, I'm going to try that as my U-Substitution. So x cubed times the square root of, here we go, here's the of x squared plus 7. So from here, I wind up getting the derivative with respect to x is equal to 2x. This gives me a differential du is equal to 2x dx. Well, this is a little bit harder because do I have an x dx in here? Well, I do, because x cubed, I can write that as x squared times x. But I'm still missing the 2. So I'm going to put a 2 here and a 1/2 on the outside. That's like multiplying by 1. So I have looked at this piece, and, well, sort of that one. I still have an x squared to deal with. So what am I going to do about that x squared? Well, x squared is equal to u minus 7. I'm literally solving for x squared here. And remember, the idea was to replace all the x stuff with things in terms of u. So let's see if I can write all this down. The 1/2 is going to come along for the ride. The 2x dx, well, the 2x dx, this part, that's going to become a du. Well, 2x, there's an x squared here. That x squared is u minus 7. And then I'm left with the square root of u. Does this look a little easier? Well, it actually is. Let me do a little bit of algebra here. The 1/2 is going to come along for the ride. Let's multiply this out. U to the 3/2 minus 7u to the 1/2 and du. Don't forget your parentheses here. Now I have a power rule problem. So my power rule, u to the 5/2, I'm adding 1 to 3/2, by the way, times 2/5. That's like dividing by 5/2. Minus 7 times u to the 3/2. And notice that I'm always writing little spaces in here because I know I'm going to come back and put in my 2/3. And I got my plus c. So I can distribute this half. We'll just do a little tiny simplification here. So I wind up getting 1/5 x squared plus 7 to the 5/2 minus 7 over 3. Remember, the 2's will cancel on that. X squared plus 7 to the 3/2 plus a constant. I'm not going to check this answer here. But this is a level 2 substitution. I call it a level 2 because I have this extra substitution that I need to make here. X cubed can be written as x squared times x. X is part of my differential. X squared, well, I can solve for it here. So you got to be a little clever on this one. And this is a level 2 substitution. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, please let me know, all right? Have a good one. Bye.